Da, 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 da.
Fly with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every weekend.
Hey guys, good morning. Is it morning? Wait though. What's the time? Oh, it's actually past 12, almost 12:30. Anyway guys, today is Wednesday and I'm heading out now. I'm going over to BB Artistry to pick up my clothes. I did take you guys along with me in a vlog when I visited BB Artistry and I dropped some fabrics for her to make for me. So I'm going over right now to fit them as well as collect them. So yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan for this afternoon. Yeah, anyway, let's go guys. You guys will always go along with me. You guys know you always go with me, so let's go. Yeah. Aww. How is my baby girl now? She's fine. She's good. She's good. Aww. I like all the shikiri things now. Hey, when I wore that white, yeah, that's like my best fashion moment of the year. You have no idea. Hey, when I wore that dress. Oh, look at this one now. Hey, my father. Yes, so yes. Oh, so beautiful. As how? We can't pay. What? This dress is sexy. Okay. Somebody should invite me for wedding so I can wear this dress. Wow, I love his dressing. Maybe shape I know that I even had it. What? Perfect. Perfect fit, everything. What do you think?
Nice. Lovely.
This is better. You want to still hold? I don't think you know that. When I put the zip, it would now balance nice. I don't like the fabric. I love it. My bum looks so good with this. Oh, not this outfit. I love it. Beautiful. Nicely done. Times have changed. Hey guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Today is Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. I just dropped Rose off in school and just got back home basically. Hope you guys are doing good. So really quickly, I want to show you guys something very interesting. Okay, so yesterday I got a DM from a brand on Instagram that sells car accessories. So they reached out to me and they were congratulating me on my car and everything, and then they said they want to send me some accessories for my car, and I'm like, okay, that's really sweet, thank you so much. So I gave them my details and they sent me guys the most gorgeous accessories ever. So the first one is this, guys. This is a steering cover, guys, and not just anyhow steering cover. I didn't really want to buy a steering cover for my car, but if it has to be something like this, then I'm gonna use it. Okay, look at all that bling, guys. It's a blinged out steering cover and it's just so cute. It's just so cute, guys. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to basically put that on my steering wheel right now. So Jessie, why are you staring at me through the glass? You're looking scary. Go away.
Kai, this place is too cold though.
Jesse, are you my passenger now?
Kai, reduce this AC now.
Why? Is it your car? Leave me alone. So I'm trying to fix the cover now, guys. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow.
Please, I need to take me to Transcorp.
Take you to where? Who are you? Babe, my mom is to do this thing now.
How much?
Babe, does everything be about money for you? So far so good. Look at all that bling. Wow, it has made the steering a lot more bulky, a lot more, but I guess I'll get used to it. Yes, I did it. Woo! All right guys, so that is the bedazzled steering. That's what it's looking like right now, and I actually do like it. I'm not sure how long I would drive the car with this on, because I actually do love my car without the cover, like the steering wheel without the cover. This just makes it a little bit more bulky, but we'll see. I just love it. It looks very nice. It looks very bedazzled and chic. Then also they sent me this amazing key holder, so pretty. It's literally like Minnie Mouse, so cute. I removed the red heart-shaped stuff, pom-pom. I removed that because it was cutting at the tip here. It was about to give way, so I actually did remove that, but I retained my Clinique one here, right? I retained this one because it's extra sentimental. And yeah, so this just looks so cute. I love this. Look at all that bling. It's so fine. Like I particularly love this so much. And then plus this is super cute, guys. Okay, so I would leave their handle on the screen just in case you are interested. They have a couple of other more accessories. I know they have blinged out tissue boxes. They have this mount you use for your phone for Google Maps. They have that blinged out as well. They have, you know, a couple of nice car accessories. If your car is push to start, they have like a push to start, blinged out push to start key that surrounds the button. Really cool and genius. So they have a lot of accessories. So I will leave their handle on the screen. Obviously this is for ladies. I mean, I don't think any man will be driving with a blinged out steering wheel and blinged out key holder and blinged out car accessories. This is mostly for ladies, but I think they also have men's accessories as well, like regular accessories. So check them out. I will leave their handle on the screen. Check them out. They are here in Abuja, but I believe they deliver nationwide. So yeah guys, that's what I wanted to show you guys on this beautiful Thursday morning. Okay, my plan for today is to edit a video that is supposed to go up today. I've not edited because yesterday I was so tired. Like I was so tired yesterday, so I will have to edit that video today. In fact, right now 8 a.m. this morning, for it to go up later today. And yeah, that's basically my plan. I don't think I have anywhere to go to today, so I'll be home for the most part. So yeah, we'll talk guys. We'll talk later we'll talk. Hey guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. So today is Friday. It's a very gloomy Friday, not in terms of the weather but in terms of the atmosphere and the mood. So today we will be laying our friend Jeremy to rest. This Friday morning, it's barely even 8 a.m. so I literally had to wake up really early because number two, Eliza is not even around. She traveled yesterday. She lost her brother. See guys, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, it's just me basically, of course, doing almost everything. So I had to wake up in the morning, get Mia ready for school, get her, you know, food pack, lunchbox, everything ready, give her a bath, drop her at school, you know. So it's been already a crazy morning and it's barely even 8 a.m. Eliza should be back in the next 4 days or so. So anyway, yeah, that is that. We're heading out now, Jessie and I, and obviously I don't think I will take my camera along for obvious reasons. As opposed to black, we are wearing white, and I didn't really have like any plain white stuff to wear that was appropriate, so I'm just wearing this white and black gridlock striped pant set. So it's a top and a pair of trousers, and yeah guys, let's go. I hope I have face mask in the car. I should. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. So it's just been a few days after Jeremy's funeral. I've not even like been able to pick up my camera in the last 2 days because, you know, it's just been very overwhelming. The last clip you guys saw was when we're getting ready to go for the funeral, the interment. Well, the what do you call it now? The funeral service and then the interment that followed afterwards. And this is literally the second funeral I'm attending in, isn't it past in August, and then we buried her in September. So literally in less than 2 months of very, you know, close young people to me and, you know, to my husband. And It was really overwhelming. I cried like a baby at that cemetery. You know, the worst part of losing people that you know, that you are close to, is one, the finality of it. I've said this before, you know, in my last, I think the last time that I talked about, you know, burying a friend. The finality of death is the part that puzzles me the most, the part that gets me the most. So yeah, it's just the finality of it. If you're seeing flashing lights on my face, the TV is on. You know, it's just the finality. The moment that first sand hits that casket, it's like I cried my eyes out. His wife and his kids, just praying for God to strengthen them. It's crazy. The service of songs was also later that day, so the interment was in the morning, service of songs was in the evening. You know, even that one too was very emotional. They gave some of us these caps at the service of songs. I really like it. It's cute with Jeremy written on it. Guys, see, I don't think it has quite sunk in for me yet. Every time I just remember that I won't see Jeremy again, I shudder. Like, it's almost like that's harsh reality, you know. I shudder. I'm just like, how? He's too cool for that. He was too cool for that, you know. And Eliza's brother too. Somebody went out for his everyday daily bread and got accident on the road. His head, the back here, is where he hit on the pavement, and he never got out of that coma, and I think he bled inside, and in a few days he was gone. I don't know what's happening, guys. See, young people are just going every day. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening. I'm begging God, please, I beg, help us, save us, have mercy on us, because the deaths are just too much. Every other week, one news or the other. It's crazy. But anyway, guys, just be safe wherever you are. Hold your loved ones close. I've been saying this, I'll say it again. Hold your loved ones close, because you just never know, guys. Tomorrow is not promised. Whatever it is that you want to do in your life, do it now, not tomorrow. Do it now, and hold your loved ones close, because adia mama, we don't know. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll just end today's vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. It's a very short vlog, but hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Fly with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every weekend.